The first step is to open the slides you want to share, and click in the URL address bar. Click to select the portion of the URL after the last backslash. Delete the text you selected to replace it. Type copy, and press enter. This version of your slides forces the user to make a copy of your slides. In the next step, you'll be replacing the word copy, so use your mouse to select the word copy in the URL. Type in the word present where the word copy was, and press enter. This version of your slides allows the user to view the slides as a presentation. Next, select the part of the URL after the last backslash. Here it says, present ?slide equals id.p. Instead of the text that's now selected, type in template, \preview, and press enter. In this version of your slides, users can see the preview of your slides before they have to make a copy of them. Click Use Template. Your user now has an editable copy of your slides with a new URL. That's it, you're done.